Imagine a family that eats healthy food, exercises together, knows what to do during an emergency, and supports one another during difficult times. This is not just an ideal family. It is something we can build through family wellness and emergency preparedness activities. Our family's health and safety should be a priority. First, we can practice wellness by eating nutritious meals, drinking enough water, getting proper sleep, and staying physically active. Simple activities like walking, stretching, playing sports, gardening, or exercising together can make our bodies stronger and bring family members closer. Second, every family should be prepared for emergencies such as earthquakes, typhoons, floods, and fires. We should prepare an emergency kit, know important emergency contact numbers, identify safe places in our home and community, and practice evacuation drills. Being prepared can help us remain calm and make better decisions when an emergency happens. Preparedness is not only about having supplies. It is also having knowledge, teamwork, and positive mindset. Family members should communicate with each other, listen to one another, and help those who may need extra support, especially children, older family members, and people with disabilities. Let us not wait for an emergency or a health problem before we take action. Start today. Exercise together, eat healthier, prepare an emergency kit, learn basic safety skills, and create a family emergency plan. A healthy family is a stronger family, and a prepared family is a resilient family. When we take care of our health and prepare for challenges together, we build a family that can face any situation with courage, unity, and confidence. Let us stay healthy, stay active, stay prepared, and stay strong because family wellness and preparedness begin with us. Thank you.